Step into the 2018 GMC Yukon SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Enhanced Driver Alert Package, Forward Collision Alert, HD Trailering Package, Low-Speed Forward Automatic Braking, Memory Package, OnStar 4 grams LTE, OnStar Basic Plan for 5 years, Open Road Package, Polished Exhaust Tip and Preferred Equipment Group 4SA. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.